Hi, and welcome back to the garden. It is Friday, August 13th. You know what we do at my house? We pick, especially in between rainstorm. If we don't get these off, they're going to split. It's going to rain a lot tonight. Anything that has any color on it, any size, I'm going to take. Jerky purple, green on top, really dark on the bottom. These light pink I think are cushion, and these I think are just regular best boy or better boy or beefsteak or something like that. Got some damaged leaves. Yes, I need to prune a little bit. But right now we're going to save as many tomatoes as we can from splitting. These Cherokees are beautiful. Now I'm over 6'3", and once these things are well above my head, I'm done trellising them. So we're getting a few that seem like they're falling over, but that's how well they've done this year. And they still have fruit all the way. I mean, we got fruit 6 feet high in here. But we're getting some pretty nice tomatoes. See? A bird pecked at it. But the rest of that tomato is awesome. Now that's vine ripe. The rest of these are pretty close. They'll be fine. Pretty good little batch. Well, that's got a rough spot on it, but I don't think that's anything to worry about. What I should be doing is picking beans. They'll be okay till tomorrow. If I wouldn't have come out here and got all these tomatoes, they would have split by morning. Northeast Oklahoma's had a little patch of army worms. We've been picking them off, but it's been so hot and dry this week that we are showing some damage. But we'll just prune that up. It'd be good as new. A lot of really good growth up here towards the top. A lot of flowers. We still got quite a few tomatoes to grow. Remember, we're growing tomatoes, not damaged leaves. Well, I want to thank you for stopping by in between the raindrops. Help me pick some tomatoes, get them off the vine before they split. Here, you take this one. I'll meet you in the house. No, I'm joking. Oh, I think we'll be able to turn these into salsa. We got quite a few vine ripe. We'll go ahead and let the rest of these ripen up in the house, and then we're going to make some salsa. We still got quite a bit of picking. We got a lot of beans, we got a lot of cowpeas. I see some butternut squash. I know we got cantaloupe. I really do feel blessed from this harvest and from your visits to my garden. I hope some of this is helpful to you. And if you want to become a member of our community and share what you're doing at your house and help inspire others, remember, stop by Saturday, check out those videos. You want to know how we planted these tomatoes? Check out that video. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.